So one of the bad things about having animals is basically, it doesn't matter what the weather's doing. You have to take care of your animals. It's like they need food. In the case of the sheep, they act like they're hungry pretty much constantly. So my little sheep family here's a little afraid of me. They're probably going to take off. Yep. But at least they have a shelter. And I think pretty sure they slept in it all night. But Mom's still a little scared of me. At least the plants are all asleep, so it doesn't matter. The animals still need food and water. So it doesn't matter what's going on. You gotta feed and water them. Hey, Sparty. Hi, bud. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hey. It hasn't even quite been a week since we've had them, so they're still a little nervous. As I call them, the solar-powered lawnmower crew. Although we may be reducing the herd a little bit already. The chickens are kind of like, yeah, this sucks. Which it does. But they do have a heated coop. So it's not too bad. So we got a little more snow overnight. Those are elderberry bushes that supposedly are toxic, but they seem to like to chew on. So I may have to protect them in the spring. Although they were getting big enough that probably needed a pruning anyway. But these are our two little lambs. We're hopefully going to be part of our groundskeeping crew, and the ram here, he's hopefully not going to stay around forever. But right now, they're just buddies for him. And this is the first time they've really been willing to hang around without their mom. Kind of surprising. But all good. And they're both wethers at this point. Two little wethers and a ram. So I had a problem with the sheep kept going into the coop because it was more interesting for some reason. And the chickens wouldn't come out. So, well, I just gave in, closed the door. There's our Buff Orpington. A little bit slippery. And just gave them some water. They have food, but they wouldn't come out for their water, so just gonna take care of it this way. See, here are our nice sheep. Hi, Cusco. It's a little friendly. There's Onyx and Sparty, and there's Luna, who's very afraid of me. Yes, you're very scared of me. No, don't chew. No, hey! Don't chew on me. It's okay. He really wants to chew on me for some reason. So now they can at least come down and eat.